darkness I lingered mid doubt and despair, since bondage long held me a captive to care. But Jesus delivered my soul from its chains. His precious blood cleansed me from sin's guilty stains. The world and its pleasures did tempt me to stray. I saw not the danger that lurked on the way. The toils closed around me, I knew no release. But Jesus has found me and given me his peace. Get right with God, his pardon is free. Get right with God, he's waiting for thee. Our Jesus is calling, oh come unto me. Take him, O sinner, and get right with God.
Here are the following benefits to Chebe Powder. It moisturizes and conditions the hair and strengthens the hair, improves hair density, nourishes follicles, helps hair retain moisture, fights scalp inflammation, may maintain scalp pH. Chebe is a plant derived from Croton gratismos, which is a lavender fever berry. This plant is found mainly in the southern parts of Africa. Alright, so I have my shea butter here as my first ingredient, following the organic mango butter, and the neem oil, clove grounded powder, organic virgin coconut oil, extra virgin olive oil, peppermint essential oil, castor oil, and the one and only Chebe powder. So I'm mixing all these ingredients together. Now neem tends to have a smell that I don't like too much, so you can add any essential oil of your choice, like a lavender. I like peppermint because it's very good for stimulation for the hair and other things as well. And that's ready to go. Alright, so I have my portion here. I'm applying it to each strand, working through the hair from the scalp to the tip. And what I love about low maintenance hairstyles is that you're not stressing the hair too much, and so you definitely want to do protective styles that you don't manipulate it on a daily basis. You could keep it in for a week or two until your next hair treatment, condition and wash. And so it's very practical. You know, hair is like a plant. You have to nourish it, give it some TLC, tender loving care. You have to be patient. You gotta clip the ends time to time, once in a while rather. And I have noticed a dramatic change even in the texture of my hair. My hair has always been soft, but I'm noticing it's less curlier. Especially when I leave it twist in, it's almost like it's straight, as if I had put a hot iron on it. Do mind you, I haven't used that for years, and so it's good to know I don't have to do that anymore. And besides, you don't want to add any heat to your hair, as it causes some damages to the hair. So I stopped using that and other heating agents. All right. And so I'm just working through strand by strand. And along with proper external care of the hair, you also want to internally take care of what you eat and even your mindset, not to stress about growing your hair, because that alone will be stressful enough. You don't have to stress about it. the less you think about it, the better. It will just grow and take care of its own. As you can see, I finished, ready to go, start my day, and that's it.
Alright, so as you can see early in the video, I added just only 3 tablespoons of Chebe powder and all the ingredients you saw. And this is good for next time use. I still have a lot more left with the Chebe powder. So basically this particular tribe in Africa uses it, and it's one of the secrets to retention length, retention hair length, as well as hair growth. So do try this at home. God bless you, and hope this was a blessing to you as it was for me. Okay, bye-bye.
Get right with God, His pardon is free. Get right with God, He's waiting for thee. Our Jesus is calling.